Hey ladies, it's Carrie coming to you live today because I have to tell you about this. This is Younique's new liquid to powder foundation. Goes on like a liquid, silky smooth, dries to a matte powder finish. You don't even feel it on your face. If I could put this through this phone so that you could smell it, touch it, and feel it, you would absolutely fall in love. So, I want to get this in your hands as soon as possible. Apply it, comes in a dropper, to the back of your hand, and then use a foundation brush to put it all over your face. Why not your fingertips? Because your fingertips, whether you've just washed your hands or not, has got oil and dirt on them. So when you take that foundation and you rub it on your face, you're just applying all of that dirt and oil onto your face, which is going to cause blemishes and all other problems that we don't need to add to our face, right? So use a brush to apply it, use a sponge, just make sure that they're clean and sanitized so that you're not applying gunk to your face that we don't need on there. This is a must-have. I know that foundation is tricky. With our guarantee, if you don't like it or if it is the wrong color, all you have to do is contact me. I will take care of it. Younique takes care of it for you. We will make it right. If you're local, stop by and see me. Try it for yourself. I have all the colors that you can look at and choose from. If you're not local for me, do not freak out. Just contact me. I can get the color that you need. I promise. You need this in your life, ladies, 100%. Contact me if you have any questions. Have a great day as always.